Distributive strategy, division. So what is distributive strategy? It's making the equation easier by breaking up the number into easier equations. Here is a look at the formula. And as you can see, you've got A plus B divides C. And it just means that A divides into C and so does B. So here is an example, 72 divide 3. We break 72 up into numbers that both divide by 3. So in this case, we've got 60 plus 12. They both break into 3 evenly. So we divide 60 and 3 plus 12 and 3. So 60 divided 3 is 20 and 12 divided 3 is 4. Then we just add the 20 and the 4 up to give us 24. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel find other learners that are struggling to learn new skills.